I'm not. Then we have the quiet side.
Because it was like wrapped in all that stuff.
Oh yeah, I mean look at the veins. That looks absolutely crazy.
Very cool. No horses.
No horses.
Do you see that branch that's just kind of laying there?
Oh my god, yeah. That's a big oh yeah. Look at that one. Oh, it is. Another storm, and that one is coming down. We found this strange seating area.
This is where I'm getting nervous for my phone.
Yeah. It is a bit overcast today. I just wanted to film a bit more. Oh, the swan is so close. Look at that. It's like, yes, hello? Why are you so close suddenly? Hi! Hello, swans. Hello, swans. You guys are beautiful. Is it a hen or hun? Male or female, maybe? They look different.
Oh yeah, I think the one closest to us is the male and the one to the left is the female.
Right? You guys are beautiful. It's like, what do you guys want? Oh my god. Oh my god. Why are they so close? Why are they coming over here? So cute. What was that? Oh my god, this tree. That's beautiful with the wings. Oh, okay. Looks like it's ready to fight. Bye. That's cute. It took a little shit. Did you just shit at us? How crazy is that?
So scared that because of another accident and they're like, "Ugh."
Yeah, exactly. I don't know if they can fly. Like,
Yeah, they can.
I don't want to try. Oop. It's so scary.
I've never been that close to a swan in my life, apparently.
Well, swan action. I mean, spiritually, there must be a meaning with swans. It's not by random we see them. Okay, yeah. Gooey, gooey. I'm just going to film the tree again because I don't know if I filmed. I think I might have done an oopsie. Look how beautiful. Oh my god, it looks like a heart.
It does. That's cute.
It is. So we found this in there. We just pulled it out a little bit because I was like, is it like growing? Did someone put it there? It's like a Christmas thing. It's like, what did I say again? Yeah, mistletoe.
I don't know if it is.
It looks like mistletoe because it has the berries.
Maybe it's like a tree.
Well, in that case, let's put it back. Well, thank you, tree. Let's give the tree a little hug. Maybe it's like a... I know you're a wet tree, but thank you. What is that for? Is that for light?
Oh yeah, maybe.
Kind of looks like it. Oh, that would look beautiful. Well, we saw that. Path number 3 turned out to be amazing.
Yes.
Hello, people! We are back at the stream, just in another place. So we are going to do, or I am going to do a reading. Kiri just did a magical reading. Yeah, so go make sure to click up here to watch it. If it's not up there, it is in the description box. Or a Kiris channel. Oh my god, just kiss nature. Oh my god. Coming of winter. Well, we are in winter. It comes in lullabies, deep within your mirrored flesh. Alas, it is time to lay your shivering chest upon the winter's coming. And it's 11. I mean, how amazing. Amazing. How amazing is that? I cannot even speak. Well, another winter sign that something is going to happen in December. Well, we are in December, so it makes sense. And we all know that with the 2020 energy, it is magic coming our way. And I do see the 6 of Cups already, which could, you know, be that twin flames maybe, but also soulmates coming together. But let's see. Why is it that you want to go down there? Ooh! Well, Ace of Wands and Page of Wands. So a new beginning, a message of a new beginning is coming you guys' way. Especially when it comes to creative projects. I'm going to try to be careful shuffling. When it comes to a new beginning in love, now that we saw the Six of Cups. Woo. Six of Swords, you guys are moving out of the struggle. What was holding you back in the past. I don't know why I heard someone say look to the left. There might be a sign if you look to the left. This is the energy that has been coming up a lot in the past readings with the Strength card and the Five of Wands, that a lot of you guys are letting go of insecurities, competition, fighting. If you're dealing with weight problems or whatever the insecurities are, creative blocks, it is going to turn around. But I do feel that there is something that needs to happen with the winter time. Eight of Wands. So after winter, things are going to start moving. And I do feel that this is going to be the tiny cute reading for you guys.
What? You hear buzzing, that's my pocket.
Oh, I was like, what is that?
Yeah.
Well, anywho, I was distracted by a buzzing sound. But thank you guys so much for being a part of this tiny reading. I know it's a tiny reading, but the daylight is sweeping away from us a little bit. Make sure to go to Kiris' channel to watch her magical reading. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, become a part of this family. If you are in need of a private reading, healing session, or remove of blocks, all information is down below. With that, I will see you guys in the next one. Adieu!